Father is upset because he thinks his kids, his children, don't show him enough love. They don't reciprocate. He does for them. He calls them anytime they need anything. He tries to be there for them. But when it comes down to reciprocating that and just showing their dad that they give a damn about him, they fall short. He asked us men to give our opinion on it. So we gonna check out this video and I'm gonna come back and tell you what I think.
Yeah, man, this to the fellas out there, man. I got a question for y'all. Man, I got 5 kids, man. And it hurt, man. That they don't call me till they want something, bro. The only time I hear from my kids when they need something. And they do it real subliminal. Call me, hey dad, how you doing? How your day been? Then they gonna get into mama said or dad, can you know what I'm saying? I already know what that lead to. And then the kicker is they don't remember my birthday. You know what I'm saying? My birthday come around. You know what I'm saying? I don't get no happy birthday, dad. You know what I'm saying? Father's Day come around. You know what I'm saying? They don't call and say happy Father's Day. They'll shoot you a text. Then how about dad, did you get it? What? You know what I'm saying? So when they ask me for money, I don't send it. Then they call me back and say, dad, you send that money? I get what I tell them with. You didn't get it? I'm sick of it, man. So, man, fellas, man, go to my comments, man, and let me know, man. Do y'all go through the same thing as I'm the only one, man? You know what I'm saying? They don't call us, they want something. You know? Then the first thing they mama holler about is, well, you need to call them. And, man, I call them. They don't even answer. You know what I'm saying? They don't answer the phone, but they'll shoot you a text back. Man, I'm sick of it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm sick of it, man. I love my kids to death, man. I'm sick of how they treat me, man. But I bet you they don't forget their mama's birthday, though. You feel me? That shit crazy, man. So, man, go to my comments, man. Y'all let me know how should I handle this and how should I feel. Am I wrong for feeling bad? Or, you know, just ignore it because they're teenagers. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no excuse for ignorance, man. Ain't no excuse for that. You a certain age now, so you should know better, you know? And I tell them, all right, now, when I'm dead and gone, you're going to wish you had to call me and spent time with me and all that different type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Some people say, well, they too young to, realize that right now. Shit, when I was 14, 15, I realized I ain't had nobody with my mom. You know what I mean? And I appreciated her. I called and checked on her, make sure she was straight. The generation right here lost, man. They terrible.
Yeah, shouts out to the creator, man. I I understand how you feel. I understand how you feel. But one thing that I want to shoot to you, I want to put you up on this game is that you don't live with those kids. So that's what they've came to know you for. When they need money, when they need something, they call you. They know mama for something else. She in the house with them. Okay. I got a 29-year-old son and I got an 8-year-old son. Both of them, I was a single father with my 29-year-old son. All the parent teachers conference, basketball games, friends over making all kind of noise, you know, everything. I was there for all that. Cooking, working 2 jobs, cooking, coming home, cooking. I was there for all that. Ups and downs, everything. Our relationship was going to be different than the relationship that you got with your kids. But my relationship with my father was kind of like that because that's what I knew him for. When I needed something, if I needed money, call him. If I needed to talk to him, call, that's that's what happens. That's what happens when you are not in the home. That's it's a give and take. It's a cause and effect. That's what happens when you are in the home. And if you in the home and that's happening, you there, but you not there. You there physically, but you not there. You don't spend no time with them. You don't talk to them. You don't do nothing. But if you not there, you at an even more disadvantage. And that's why that happens. It's not that they don't care about you. It's that that's the kind of relationship that you guys have. Mama in the house. You not there. So you got to work even harder to get that kind of love and that kind of attention from them that you want. And then you add on top of that, them being teenagers. Come on, you can be in a house and you know what I mean? They off in their own other world with their friends and trying to live their life, social media and all that. But you not being in the house, you can't deny that. You cannot deny that that's going to affect your relationship because you only can have so much of a relationship when you're not there. That's like having a relationship with a woman, a long distance relationship, but you got this other girl that you know that's in town, that's right around the way. Who you think you're gonna have a better relationship with? The one that's out of town or the one that's in town that you can see whenever you want to? Who you think gonna have what relationship you think gonna last? The long distance one or the one with the girl that's here? You gonna end up being with the girl that's here. The long distance one ain't gonna work. You can't have a long distance relationship with your kids, and if you're not in the house, that's what happens. That's what happens. And don't let you be in the house with some other kids, or you done got with another woman and you have kids with them, and you in the house for them, but not in the house for these kids. Oh, it's gonna be some issues, bro. It's gonna be some. It's gonna be some. It's gonna be some hurt feelings. So yeah, I know we try to make it about us, but the truth of the matter is, none of them 5 kids asked to be here. None of them asked to be here. You and the woman, they mama, y'all brought them here. So what you know what I'm saying? What you going yeah. Yeah, yeah. They should know to treat you better because you only got one father. And at least you trying to be in their life. But man, you can't tell those 15, 16-year-old that. They don't think nothing, they don't think what they doing is wrong. They don't think what they doing is wrong because that's the relationship y'all got. That's the relationship you got. That's I mean, how tight of a relationship can you have if you're not in the house with them every day? If you're not in the house with them. Yeah, you can have a relationship, but it's not going to be as tight as it would be if they were they you were in the house with them. So that's what you gotta, yeah, that's what you gotta understand. That's what we as men have to understand. Look, if I'm gonna have kids, I'm gonna be there in the house, or they gonna come live with me. Something. I gotta have that time where they can, I can cook them dinner, I can cook them breakfast. I can be around them more, just like them. You gotta do that. Because if not, these are the kind of relationships that you're gonna be stuck with. These are the type of videos you're gonna be making with some hurt feelings and not knowing why they acting like this towards you when they don't think they doing nothing wrong. I called them, I text them. What? And that is this episode of the Raising Karter podcast. I am your host, Ramon Weatherall. And if you got any value from this video, check out our podcast, the playlist we got right here, on the rest of our videos from this podcast. And if you like These hats that I'm wearing right here that I wear in every video, that's my brand. I will never quit. Go to iwillneverquit.store and get you one today. And I'm out of here. Peace.